We have this Nokia 808 PureView and this great camera as asked. So we start, it's really fast to start the camera, although it's this 41 megapixel demo on that thing. So now I have this 38 megapixel mode, so it means I have aspect ratio 4:3, which is this normal, so then it's 38 megapixels. Still the sensor is 41, but we use this 38 because of this aspect ratio. And I can then try to get some MVC stuff here. Hopefully I don't shake, it's this whole conference hub here. So it's quite fast to shoot the images, so it doesn't open the gallery. So then I can easily shoot the next one. And if it's something important happening, it's quite nice to have it that
There's no
way.
lag in between. The photos you can capture multiple photos quickly.
Not that bad lag. So then gallery is easy to reach here. And now I'm in the gallery. And in the gallery I can really see the advantage of this PureView technology. So here there are small details not that visible in the original image. I can go and tap and they come visible. So really small texts come visible.
So as you can
like,
see, the video,
sky.
actually the photo which you are talking about is here somewhere. It's quite far here. It's at the exhibition. On the background it's Nokia Lumia 900, but as you can see the camera which has taken a great photo.
Yeah,
great resolution.
Maybe even smaller details here, so I try not to shake and shoot that 38 megapixel picture, go to gallery, and here are very small text. Hopefully I didn't shake, so you can see it comes.
There are a list of signboards here at the Nokia developer area, and as you can see the photo is a little bit shaken, but again you need to grab the camera perfectly, and if you capture photos they come out great.
Yeah,
it's just great. And the phone comes up with different presets options, like you can take the photos not always in 38 or 41 megapixels, but you can also take it at 5 megapixel. So let us just check out the phone camera photo presets.
Okay, so here we have, it was now in the 38 megapixel setting, so it was here from creative mode. And I was selling the full resolution, but I can also use this PureView technology here as 8 megapixel, 5 megapixel or 3 megapixel. And then because we have this 41 megapixel sensor, the normal 5 megapixel is, or this 5 megapixel is much better than normal 5 because we use still all the pixels. Or you can use the pixels like this. You have this 41 megapixel sensor, but you go and zoom here in the camera application, and now you can see the text and that easily, or any detail there far away. So it's a 3 times zoom in that sense, and if you put like 3 megapixel, it's then even more. You can go far away and get the details. Also we have here the automatic mode, which is for those who don't want to
go through all the settings.
Yeah, do the settings that much. Or then we have the scenes mode, as here we have the automatic mode or
the macro
close-up macro, yes. The portrait and sports and night.
So the phone is
mode
more or less like a DSLR phone, the camera. It has all those settings which a normal DSLR camera would have.
Yeah, this is comparable to that. It's and also the quality, as you saw, is really high end. Okay, and then the video.
So this is this completes the complete demo of the Nokia 808 PureView phone camera. Thanks for watching.